Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. This digital frontier offers tremendous opportunity. It also has inherent risks. Cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Understanding the basics is vital before investing. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this dynamic landscape. Remember, knowledge is your best tool. This guide is your first step. Continuous learning is vital in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Let's embark on this journey together. The future of finance is here. Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger tracks transactions across a network of computers. This is the essence of blockchain technology. This revolutionary technology underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It ensures transparency, security, and decentralization. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is like digital gold. It is scarce and valuable. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a platform for decentralized applications. Think of it as a global computer. Understanding these core concepts is crucial. It allows you to grasp the potential impact of different cryptocurrencies and how they have evolved over time. Crypto exchanges are your gateway to the crypto market. They are platforms where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Choosing a reputable exchange is paramount. Look for factors like security, fees, and user experience. Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are popular choices. Research their features to find one that suits your needs. Once you choose an exchange, create an account. Enable strong security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Regularly monitor your investments and stay informed. Making your first trade can be exhilarating. Select a cryptocurrency you believe in. Bitcoin and Ethereum are good starting points. There are different order types. Market orders execute immediately at the current price. Limit orders allow you to set your desired price. Start with a small investment amount. This minimizes risk as you gain experience. Familiarize yourself with the exchange's interface. Remember, every trade is a learning opportunity. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. Stay updated with the latest news and trends. Join online communities to learn from others. Section 5. Charting your course, trading strategies for the astute investor. Developing a trading strategy is essential for success. Two common approaches are day trading and hodling. Day trading involves frequent buying and selling. It capitalizes on short-term price fluctuations. Hodling, on the other hand, is a long-term strategy. It involves holding your crypto assets for extended periods. Choose a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Research different strategies thoroughly before implementing them. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Your strategy should reflect your individual circumstances and market outlook. Stay informed and adapt your strategy as the market evolves. Section 6. Navigating the crypto seas. Managing risks and safeguarding your treasure. Cryptocurrency investing carries inherent risks. Market volatility can lead to both profits and losses. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. Position sizing is crucial. Determine the appropriate amount to invest in each asset. Consider your overall portfolio and risk tolerance. Stop-loss orders are essential tools. They automatically sell your crypto if the price drops to a certain level. This limits potential losses. Always secure your investments with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Consider using cold storage for long-term holdings to protect against hacks. Section 7. Safeguarding your crypto bounty. Hot and cold wallets explained. Storing your crypto securely is paramount. Two primary types of wallets exist: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They offer convenience for frequent transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline storage solutions. They provide enhanced security for long-term holdings. Hardware wallets are a popular type of cold storage. They store your private keys offline on a physical device. Your seed phrase is your wallet's master key. Keep it safe and secure. Never share it with anyone. Always double-check addresses before transactions. This ensures your funds are sent to the correct recipient. Section 8. Deciphering the crypto charts. Technical and fundamental analysis. Analyzing the market is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Two primary methods are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying price charts and patterns. It identifies trends and predicts future price movements. Fundamental analysis focuses on the underlying factors that influence a cryptocurrency's value. This includes its technology, team, and market adoption. Combining both approaches provides a comprehensive understanding of the market. It helps you make informed investment decisions. Remember, analysis is both an art and a science. It requires practice, patience, and continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends and news. Engage with the community and learn from experts. Section 9. Staying ahead of the crypto wave. Resources for continuous learning. The crypto landscape is constantly changing. Staying updated is crucial for success. Reputable news websites provide valuable insights. CoinDesk and Cointelegraph are good starting points. Online courses offer structured learning experiences. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Engaging with the crypto community is invaluable. Join online forums, attend webinars, and follow industry experts on social media. Remember, knowledge is power. Continuous learning will empower you to navigate the ever-evolving crypto market. Podcasts and YouTube channels are also great resources for staying informed. Attend conferences and meetups to network and learn from others in the field. Section 10. Crypto wisdom for the Voyager, final tips and frequently asked questions. Final tips. Start small and gradually increase your investment. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Secure your crypto assets in a reputable wallet. Stay informed about market trends and news. Be patient and don't panic sell. FAQs. Q. What is the minimum amount I need to invest in crypto? A. The minimum investment varies depending on the exchange. Start with an amount you are comfortable with. Q. How do I choose the right cryptocurrency to invest in? A. Research different cryptocurrencies, consider their use cases and evaluate their potential for growth. Q. What is the best time to buy or sell cryptocurrency? A. Timing the market is challenging. Focus on long-term investment strategies rather than short-term speculation. Q. What are the tax implications of crypto investing? A. Tax regulations vary depending on your jurisdiction. Consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. Embark on your crypto investing journey with confidence. Remember, knowledge is your greatest asset. Happy trading! And always keep learning and adapting to the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Gap 3S. Section 11. Future trends in crypto investing. As we sail further into the digital frontier, it's crucial to keep an eye on the horizon for emerging trends. In this chapter, we will explore the potential future trends in the world of cryptocurrency investing. First, we have the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms aim to recreate traditional financial systems like loans and trading, but in a decentralized manner. This could mean more accessibility and fewer middlemen, revolutionizing how we interact with financial services. Next, consider the increasing adoption of blockchain technology by major corporations. Companies like Microsoft, IBM, and even Amazon are exploring blockchain for its potential to improve transparency and efficiency. This could lead to a broader acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream business operations. Moreover, we cannot overlook the environmental concerns surrounding crypto mining. Innovations in green technology and sustainable mining practices are on the rise, addressing these issues and paving the way for more eco-friendly crypto solutions. Another trend is the growing interest in non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These digital assets represent ownership of unique items from art to music, and are gaining traction in various industries. The NFT market could offer new investment opportunities and reshape how we perceive digital ownership. Finally, regulatory developments will play a significant role. Governments around the world are working on frameworks to regulate cryptocurrencies, which could bring more stability and security to the market. Staying informed about these regulatory changes will be essential for any savvy investor. In summary, the future of crypto investing is brimming with potential. From DeFi and blockchain adoption to green mining and NFTs, these trends could shape the landscape in profound ways. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue your journey with confidence. Gap 2S. The digital frontier is ever evolving, and so should your strategies and knowledge. Happy trading! Gap 3S. Section 12. Legal and regulatory considerations. Understanding the legal and regulatory landscape is crucial for any crypto investor. In this chapter, we'll discuss the current regulations surrounding cryptocurrency, potential future changes, and how to stay compliant while investing in digital assets. First, let's delve into the current regulatory environment. Various countries have different approaches to cryptocurrency regulation. For instance, the United States classifies cryptocurrencies as property, subjecting them to capital gains tax. In contrast, countries like El Salvador have embraced Bitcoin as legal tender, creating a more crypto-friendly environment. It's essential to understand the specific regulations in your country to ensure compliance. Next, consider the potential future changes in crypto regulation. As the market evolves, governments worldwide are working on comprehensive frameworks to regulate digital assets. These changes could include stricter Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) requirements, impacting how exchanges and investors operate. Staying informed about these developments will help you navigate the regulatory landscape effectively. Another critical aspect is the role of regulatory bodies. Organizations like the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) in the UK and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in the US play a significant role in shaping the crypto market. Understanding their guidelines and directives can provide valuable insights into the legal aspects of crypto investing. Moreover, it's essential to consider the legal implications of international crypto transactions. Different countries have varying regulations, and engaging in cross-border transactions can expose you to legal risks. Consulting with legal professionals who specialize in cryptocurrency can help you mitigate these risks and ensure compliance with international laws. Finally, let's discuss the importance of staying compliant while investing in digital assets. Adhering to regulations not only protects you from legal repercussions, but also enhances the overall credibility of the crypto market. Utilizing regulated exchanges, maintaining accurate records of your transactions, and reporting your crypto holdings accurately are vital steps to ensure compliance. In summary, the legal and regulatory landscape of cryptocurrency is complex and ever-changing. By staying informed and compliant, you can navigate this landscape with confidence and safeguard your investments. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying updated on legal developments is crucial for any astute crypto investor. Gap2S. The world of cryptocurrency is full of opportunities, but understanding the legal and regulatory considerations is key to making informed decisions. Stay vigilant, stay compliant, and continue your journey with confidence. Happy trading. Gap2S. Section 13. Case studies of successful crypto investors. Learn from the best. In this chapter, we'll look at case studies of successful crypto investors, analyzing their strategies, successes, and lessons learned. These real-world examples will provide valuable insights for your own investing journey. Gap2S. Let's start with the story of John Smith, an early adopter of Bitcoin. John invested in Bitcoin back in 2011 when it was priced at just a few pounds. His strategy was simple, yet effective. Buy and hold. Despite the market's volatility, John remained patient and held on to his assets. His foresight paid off when Bitcoin's value skyrocketed in 2017, turning his modest investment into a substantial fortune. The key takeaway here is the power of long-term investment and the importance of patience in the crypto market. Gap2S. Next, meet Sarah Johnson, a savvy investor who diversified her portfolio. Sarah didn't put all her eggs in one basket. Instead, she spread her investments across various cryptocurrencies including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. This strategy allowed her to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Sarah's success underscores the importance of diversification in managing risk and capitalizing on multiple opportunities within the crypto space. Gap2S. We'll also examine the approach of Michael Brown, a professional trader who leveraged technical analysis. Michael spent years studying market trends, chart patterns, and trading signals. His meticulous analysis enabled him to make well-timed trades, buying low and selling high. Michael's story highlights the significance of technical analysis and the value of continuous learning to refine trading strategies. Gap2S. Finally, let's explore the journey of Emily Davis, who focused on initial coin offerings, ICOs. Emily identified promising ICOs with strong development teams and innovative projects. By investing early in these ventures, she reaped substantial rewards when the project succeeded. Emily's experience teaches us the potential of ICOs and the importance of thorough research and due diligence. Gap2S. In summary, these case studies demonstrate that there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to crypto investing. Whether it's long-term holding, diversification, technical analysis, or early investments in ICOs, each strategy has its merits. By learning from the experiences of successful investors, you can develop a strategy that suits your goals and risk tolerance. Gap2S. remember, the world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and full of opportunities. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and continue learning from the best. Happy trading!